Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to the channel. So friends, this video is related to last 20 days preparation for TCS pre-NQT exam that is officially announced for the 2023 batch from TCS team. And if you are preparing for the NQT exam, that is for the graduates batch or the ongoing batches like 22 to 2020 batch or the graduates batch, so the registration is started. Also the registration is started for the NQT examination. In this video I will tell you the complete syllabus, resources plus strategy to crack the TCS examination. And if you are following our channel, like if you are from any batch, so there is a very great announcement for all of you. There is a very good surprise for all of you. And definitely after watching this video is very helpful. You can crack your exam in the first attempt. So let's start the video. One of the most important point on our channel, we provide the latest job opportunities update as well as company updates, so please check. Previously, like in the previous year for the 2022 batch, you can just check that, like I already made one video like how to start preparation for the TCS Ninja examination, and so many candidates crack the examination. So first of all, we have to just check the hiring process, and they just mentioned that the examination is from the 15th August 22 onwards. So taking the rough idea, so the examination will start from 15 to in between 20 August. So okay, so this is all about that. So what is the test eligibility? I already mentioned that. What is the test features and pattern? So let's discuss in the details. So like how to start preparation for the TCS NQT examination, that is for the Ninja plus digital role. In this video we discuss about like how to start preparation, exam pattern, resources and strategy, crack exam in first attempt, important for 23 batch, important for other batches like if you applied for the NQT examination. Firstly, we talk about what is the TCS NQT free exam, pattern of TCS NQT exam, syllabus, resources, strategy to crack in first attempt. So the TCS NQT, also known as the TCS National Qualifier Test, and it is a placement exam test organized by TCS to hire a student for software engineer trainee. Like for the software engineer trainee, roles are categorized into two parts, Ninja as plus digital. So the Ninja package is 3.3 or 3.5 in between them, and the digital package is 7 LPA. So this is the new pattern that is related to TCS NQT exam, and it is officially for the 2023 batch. But if I talk about the 2022 batch or 2020 batch, so you can just find the syllabus pattern on the TCS NQT website itself, because the TCS NQT have very different section. Like there is a cognitive section for aptitude examination, and there is a programming section for the different examination. So TCS NQT will be integrated test containing of two sections like foundation and advanced. So the foundation is only for the TCS Ninja and advanced section is only for the TCS Digital. But they not mention any of this point. Like they mention that all candidate will require to appear for both section of the TCS NQT in order to eligible for the interview. Based on the test performance, candidate will be shortlisted for either digital or Ninja interview. TCS NQT for this year can be take in center or remote. Please note, no further changes would be permitted once the above selection is done. So they conducted the examination this year in center or remote. You can choose while you registering for the opportunity. So what do you mean by the traits? So the traits is just related to some of the HR related or company related questions, just related to managerial round or HR round related questions. But they just mentioned that there is a duration in minute is 1 minute. So there is a numerical ability of 25 minutes, verbal ability of 25, reasoning ability of 25. So something in between 10 to 20 questions are asked by TCS team or more than, depends on the TCS team according to the new pattern. So if I talk about the advanced section, so advanced quantitative ability like 20 minutes for, they just mentioned that, advanced reasoning ability 15 minutes, advanced coding 55. So the total duration is 166 minutes. So they just mentioned that. So this is the syllabus of TCS NQT exam. If you are preparing for numerical, reasoning, verbal, advanced quantitative and advanced reasoning ability, so most of the topics are covered from this. So this is complete topic like number systems. In number system, they ask some of the questions from LCM, HCF, number and decimal fractions, percentage, ratio, proportion questions are very basic. And if I talk about some of the advanced topic, so they just they ask the questions from elementary statistics, data interpretation, simplification and approximation. So this is just related to verbal ability. One of the most important point, this timing is changed. Like previous year they just mentioned the time is 30 minutes and there is a 24 question, so it is only for a rough idea, and you have to just check this, and the number of question will totally depend on the TCS team. English grammar, word completion, sentence, error identification, arrangement, formal or informal sentences, reading comprehension. So this is just related to reasoning ability. So identifying word pattern, letter series, number series, sitting arrangement, blood relation, logical Venn diagram, diagram based DI, visual and spatial reasoning. So this is all about some of the important topics for the reasoning ability. One of the most important point, if you are preparing for the foundation section, so you have to prepare some of the advanced section for the quantitative and the reasoning ability. So this is the coding question, but one of the most important point, previous year the advanced coding question has less time because there is a 2 coding question and there is a time of 50 minutes plus 13 minutes. So like there is a 45 minutes time, but this time they mention they not mention any of the like what are the number of questions they ask. They only mention that there is a advanced coding section and there is a 55 minutes of time. So most probably they will be asked some of the 2 coding question in that. So this is the new pattern. I suggest you to not to prepare some of the basic concept. You have to prepare some of the advanced topics like data structures, algorithm. Most probably they will ask advanced coding questions from that, because based on your performance they will give you opportunity. So this is just related to that. So this is resources for the TCS NQT examination for the aptitude, logical reasoning and verbal. India Bix website is very good website for the preparation. Book name is RS Agrawal Sir Book and YouTube channel name is R Channel Online Learning Channel. We provide all the videos soon for all of you that is related to preparation. So one of the most important point that I have to mention, there is a very good surprise for all of you that is coming soon on tomorrow. Okay, so there is a very big announcement for online learning family that is related to placement preparation. So soon I will be share all the details by tomorrow, so stay tuned. So this is resources for the TCS NQT examination for the programming practice like HackerRank, HackerEarth, basic plus advanced program, LeetCode. So this is all of the website that you can prepare for the opportunity. So one of the most important point, if you have any queries regarding TCS NQT exam, you can ask in the comment section or DM me on Instagram. We regularly work on best content for all of you. All queries will be answered. Thanks for watching, and this is the Instagram ID. And one of the most important point that I have to mention, that TCS NQT team already mentioned there is a preparation via TCS Launchpad, so you can just go to that. And one of the important announcement, we launch our app that is related to some of the placement preparation. So link in the description, please go to that and install on your phone so to access some of the new features that is related. So for the TCS National Qualifier Test, you have to follow this step. I already make so many videos on channel that is related to TCS NQT. You have to apply and select for the more preparation, like what are the number of questions they ask, because it is totally depend on the TCS team. They just mention that, but I suggest you the roughly idea, like they ask some of the 10 to 20 question or 20 to 25 question or 15 to 20 questions. So it will totally depend on the TCS team, but most probably you can just go to the TCS Launchpad, so they will share all the information that is related. I hope this video is useful for everyone. Please like and share the video with your friends. Thanks for watching the video.